Good morning, students. Today we are going to revise one word from lesson Advanced Science 1, Law of Motion. Okay, now we are going to that. I will tell that again. We are tell oral revision. Okay, one word only today. Inertia. First one, choose the correct answer. First one, inertia of your body depends on mass of the object. Mass of the object. It is a depend on mass of the objects. Inertia of your body depend on mass of the object. Inertia of your body depend on mass of the object. Okay, second one. Impulse is equal to change of momentum. Impulse is equal to change of momentum. Newton's third law is applicable both A and B. For a body is at rest, for body in the motion. Newton's second law is applicable. Body is a rest and body is a body in motion. So both is a correct answer. Okay. So next, plotting a graph for momentum on the x-axis and time on y-axis. Momentum on the x-axis, time on y-axis. Slope of momentum time graph gives force. Graphs gives force. Answer is force. In which of the following spot the turning of effect of force? Used cycling. Spot the turning of effect of force. Used cycling. Okay, next. The unit of G is meter by second squared. It can be also expressed as Newton by kilogram. Newton by kilogram. The unit of G is meter by second squared. It can be also expressed as Newton by kilogram. Okay. So next one. 1 kilogram force equal to 98.10 to the power of 4 dyne. 98 into 10 to the power of 4 dyne. 1 kilogram force equal to 98 into 10 to the power of 4 dyne. Okay. So next one. The mass of your body is measured on planet Earth as capital M kilogram. When it is taken to a planet of radius of the earth, then its value will be how much? Capital M kg. Capital M kg. So next, ninth one. You see ninth one. If the earth shrinks to 50% of its real radius, its mass remaining the same, the weight of your body on the earth will increases by 300%. Increases by 300%. Okay, so next, you see, to project the rockets, which of the following principles are required? Both A and C. So both Newton third law of motion, law of conservation of linear momentum. So it's a depend on Newton third law and law of conservation. Law of conservation of linear momentum. Okay. So now we are going to fill in the blanks. Okay. So next, to produce a displacement dash is required. Which is required? Force. Force to produce a displacement, force is Record. Force. Spelling F-O-R-C. Passenger lean forward when sudden brake is applied in a moving vehicle. This can be explained by inertia of motion. Inertia of motion. Passenger lean forward when sudden brake is applied in a moving vehicle. This can be explained by inertia of motion. Answer is inertia of motion. So third one, by convention, the clockwise moments are taken as dash and the anti-clockwise moment are taken as dash. So clockwise is a negative, anti-clockwise is a positive. Okay, next. Dash is used to change the speed of car. Gear. You change to the gear means the speed of the car. A man of mass 100 kg has a weight of dash at surface on the earth. 980 Newton. 980 Newton. True or false? The linear momentum of a system of particles is always conserved. False. Is always conserved. False. It is a this statement is false. So next, apparent weight of a person is always equal to his actual weight. False. It's not a actual weight. Weight of your body is greater at the equator and less at the polar region. False. The turning a nut with a spanner having a short handle is also easy than one with a long handle. False. There is no gravity. The orbiting space stations around the earth, so the astronauts feel weightless. False. Okay, next one you see that match the following. Newton first law, stable equilibrium of a body. Newton second law, law of force. Newton third law, flying nature of bird. Law of conversion of linear momentum. Propulsion of a rocket. So, okay, students, the oral of from the one word I gave that you are thorough one word, I think. So science 1 we are give to 5 marks. Okay, science 2 5 marks. Totally you are writing the 10 marks monthly test. Okay, be careful, you write properly and get full marks. All the best. You thorough it this lesson. It's a very important lesson. You thorough it. Question answer also you thorough it. Okay. When we are live class or revised class, that time I will ask to that question individually. Okay. Each member I will ask that questions. Okay. Be careful. So read. All the best. Thank you, children.